Here's a Cuisinart Here's a Cuisinart coffee grinder that I got off Amazon, and it says that it has 18 settings for how fine or how coarse you want your coffee grounds, and it makes 18 cups. Let's get to it. Let's see if it works. So, pretty simple design. So this is the tray that holds the coffee at this ground, and you just pull it out, and it just has a little lid. Take it off like so. It has water spots because I cleaned it and I let it air dry and didn't dry it off, so that's the water spots, but it is clean. You just push it in till it clicks, and if you notice up here you have fine, medium, and coarse, and that is how you want the beans to be ground, whatever. And so to pick how you like it, you would turn the top and it goes in the direction that you need it to go. I'm just holding the base just because it seems the safest way. And so you pick it. So today we're gonna go in between fine and medium. So we're gonna put it on like a 6 between fine and medium. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And just a little top for it. And if you're wondering how to get this off, you turn it counterclockwise and it spins off, so that way you can clean this, and obviously this pops out so you can clean that. Okay, are the beans we're going to be using today. They're from Trader Joe's and they're Ethiopian beans, medium dark roast. I feel like if I poured it to the top, this thing could just store the beans, maybe. Y'all know I didn't read the manual, but who knows. So I'm just gonna pour as much as I want, because the machine is only gonna take however much we put our coffee cups on. So I'll show you that. Clear. If you notice at the top it has off and then the number of cups that it will make. So I just have on 8 right now. And then let's get into it. Am I the only one that like wait till everything is like set up and everything before you plug things in? I don't know. I'd be scared sometimes. I don't know. Let me make sure this on the ground that we want. Yes, it is on level 6 again between fine and medium. So I'm going to plug it in. And then right under the number of cups, see that? It's a little start button. So I'm going to press it and I'm going to get into it. Let's see how loud it is. So this is 8 cups, and I'm just going to pull it out. See how full it is? It's like medium. So I'm going to put it back on and do 8 more cups and just fill it to the top. See if that works. It smells so good. And it cuts off by itself after it's done grinding. So guys, the mister just came in here and took the extra 8 cups that we just ground it. So when I open this, it's gonna look low because it is. It's gone. He couldn't wait. He had to have it. So this is how it came out. And yeah, easy process, quick, simple. Love that for us.